Today we are going to do a quick tutorial on how you can set up tracking for your school group. You need to go back to your business manager and look for data sources on the left side. Make sure to select datasets and then click add. Now once you create a new dataset, you can just name it, for example, paid school pixel or school group pixel, and let's just go and create. Once you have the new pixel, you can just leave this option on the recommended tab, go next, and we are going to exit this tab. Select the new pixel you just created from the list and make sure to assign yourself to this so you have access to make the changes. Go to assign people, select yourself from the list, and then make sure you have full control. Next, go to assign, and we are done here. If you are running ads, we also need to connect this asset to your ad account. So let's go to assign assets, select your ad account, and then click add. And now the connection is ready. For the next step, we need to go back to Skool, to your new group, go to settings, head over to plugins, and then search for metapixel tracking. The first time you create a group is going to be off, so we are going to go to edit, turn it on, and we are going to connect the metapixel. First, we need the metapixel ID. There's a tutorial on where you can find this. You can click on these links, but the pixel ID is going to be inside the Events Manager. Click Open in Events Manager, head over to Settings, and then one of the first lines is going to contain a dataset ID. Just click on the numbers, it's automatically going to copy, head back to Skool and then paste. And next we need to generate an access token. You need to scroll down a bit and look for Setup with Direct Integration, and here you can generate an access token. Again, copy on the code, copy to the clipboard, go back to Skool, and under access token, just paste this code. And now you can connect. And it's already showing you that your pixel is connected. You can also test the events by clicking on the test button. And there's success. So our pixel is set up correctly. You can also test events inside the Events Manager. If you go back and enter your website URL, let's just copy and paste from Skool. Let's go to the About page because that's what we are actually tracking. Here's the About page, and you see we have the page view tracking. With the Skool pixel, there are multiple events you can optimize for inside the Ads Manager. If you have a free group, you need to optimize for complete registration. And then if you have a paid community, you need to optimize for the purchase event, which is going to be under sales campaigns. Even if you have a free trial, you need to use the purchase event. It was quite easy to set up the tracking. If you have any other questions, just let me know and I'll make sure to help you.